and you gotta pull this thing apart. Hi there, my name is Greg Tardif, and for 1 week I have been shaving with the Parker Shavette, the SRDW. Shishamwood handle, metal 3-piece up here, and then you have a little single blade, or like half of a double edge blade in there. Pretty cool. Very cool. I was excited to try this. I've been shaving with a double edge safety razor for about a decade. And this is the first time in a long time that I've been scared. I've been scared to shave with this. And I've shaved a little bit with this Shavette every day this week. Because I've never shaved with this or like a straight razor, want to put too much pressure on me to get a bomb ass shave. I wanted to just kind of ease into it and still have a face to show people without looking like Darkman with Liam Neeson. There's some things that I'm trying to get used to with it. Taking the razor blade out is a bit of an ordeal. Here, you can see that there. I took the blade out, and you got a couple pieces. You got these pins here that lock into there, and separating those two is pretty hard, which I appreciate because I don't want the damn razor to fall apart while I'm trying to shave my face. Holding the razor is completely, at least so far, pretty foreign to me at this point. So you kind of hold it like this, and then this is where one of my first issues comes so far with it. I think it's something I can get over or get past, but like when you're shaving and you're looking in the mirror, it's hard to see what you're doing. And it's just going to be one of those things where you just get used to it. The left hand side, because if you see, this hand here is blocking my eyes. It's blocking my eyes. And some people just shave with their left hand. Maybe I'll try that, but I'm a righty all day long. This thing can only play guitar a little bit. The other thing, just finding the angle, with a double-edged safety razor, it seems like 30 degrees is a lot less it's more shallow than what it actually is, because you also already have the razor in such a angle. So like with this coming down at that 30 degrees is a lot more steep when it's coming straight out of your hand. So getting used to that. Photo posing is kind of like a nothing sandwich with that, but I like to post pictures of my shave of the day. Lets people know that I'm better than them. But yeah, just trying to set it on a table. This guy here, the pivot point there, it's loose enough, and I think it's supposed to be. It does kind of fatten up when you get the handle wet. I think it has something to do with it being wood. But overall, I've been having a blast. I don't know that I could say that I like it right this second, but I know that I can come to enjoy the shaving process. I actually shaved about 90% of my face today without cutting myself, so that's pretty cool. The other day I got only one nick, and that was just because I was shaving and then I just kind of my hand jerked into my face. So it wasn't even like shaving, it just silly hand actions, I guess you could say. But the first time shaving, I got myself 3 times. So I did a full one pass with it without nicking myself. I didn't get a good shave that first pass. I was like, I think I got this now. And I went kind of quick. You can't go quick when you're first starting out with a Shavette. Do not go quick when you're first starting out with a Shavette. One more time. Do not go quick when you're first starting out with a Shavette. Because I got myself here, and here. And yeah, I came out. My daughter saw it. She goes, Daddy, you got an owie? I said, yeah, I got an owie. She's like, do you need a Band-Aid? I said, no. I use the styptic pencil. Yeah, use that. Everything's fine now. I'm a person who can withstand very limited amount of pain, but I got through this one, okay? Some things that I've noticed when switching in between a Shavette and a double-edged safety razor, I feel a lot more confident now shaving with a double-edged safety razor. I'm much quicker. I'm getting really good shaves. Even if I only do like I said, today I did 90% with this, and that was pretty close. You can get really pretty close on your first pass with this, and then going back with a safety razor and just finishing up the job. Whoa, very cool, very cool, very cool. I am having issues with shaving my chin, so I'm just trying to figure out, and that's just gonna be on me, but if you have any tips for it, I guess I'm just kind of like messing around with it. But yeah, I'm having a blast learning this. I feel like there's something new here in this old technique. You know, this isn't like a full review because I've only had it for a week and I don't know how to use it. So I just wanted to give you an update that old dogs can learn new tricks, and I'm getting there. So I appreciate you watching. I'll see you soon. What a day. What a day. Just look at that. Ooh, getting some nice blasting. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh boy. Ciao. Goodbye.